carbon tasters and touchers. Everybody back in your seat. Here we go. 5, sit down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody put your finger up in the air. Put it in front of your mouth. Take a deep breath. Now, I've got some more water going into this big flask right here. It's going to turn another color. That's right, it turns red because I want you to think of a volcano. And when you think of a volcano, you think of lava. And when you think of lava, you think of lava coming out of the top of the volcano and making an eruption. We're going to make an eruption happen right here in this room. Don't worry, it's not going to be a scary one. It's going to be a silly one. And we're going to take this and we're going to add one more ingredient. Actually, 2 more ingredients. But the next ingredient is going to be this. Soap. We're going to take some soap. We're going to pour it inside here. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to take it and then I'm going to mix it up. And then all of a sudden, nothing happens. Just red soapy water, right? So it looks like I'm going to add one more ingredient. What do you think I'm going to add? Dry ice. But before I do that, check this out. I've got a big blue bowl. I'm filling it with the rest of the water. I'm going to put a big piece of dry ice in there. And the same thing is going to happen that happened with the burp. When you put dry ice in water, it melts. But when it melts into that thick, light carbon dioxide gas. But this fog is not like the fog that we used for the rings. The fog that we used for the rings was hot air. Hot air goes up to the sky. This air, cold air. Cold air goes down to the ground. Now I got a twist. Check this out. I'm going to take a cloth strip. It's been soaking in some soapy water. I'm going to pull it over the top of this bowl. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Now take your fingers and go like this. Oh,
I've seen it.
Oh, yeah. As you can see, I put a bubble over the top of this bowl. The bubble is trapping in the carbon dioxide, and when the dry ice melts, the carbon dioxide fog makes it get bigger and bigger and bigger. What's going to happen when it pops?
It's going to go big.
Where's all the carbon dioxide going to go?
Everywhere.
No? It's going to go down because it's cold air. Hot air goes up, cold air goes down. Watch this. Yo! Now, what's going to happen if I put dry ice in that red soapy water? It's going to explode. Are you ready? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Take a little piece of dry ice. Pound it into a little piece. Put it inside that red soapy water. 1, 2. You see those bubbles, right? And let's take a closer look at these bubbles. You don't see a lot of the dry ice carbon dioxide coming out of these bubbles. You know why? Because it's stuck inside.